How to download large file or big file from Google Drive. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So when you download something from your Google Drive web application or browser, then sometimes your file is too large, like in TB or GB, and sometimes we disconnect from internet, or sometimes it's like you know crash the browser, or sometimes it's automatically disconnect to download. So there is a one way to you can simply download big file from Google Drive without any restrictions, so any error. So I'm going to show you the perfect way. So what you need to do. Okay, first come to your browser and search for Google Drive download. Okay, so we need to download a Google app in your desktop. Okay, so go to the download, take the okay, so down the application, click on this drive, Google download drive for desktop, then this file will be download here. After it's done, you need to install the Google Drive application in your computer. Okay, after installation you need to sign up with your email ID, with that Google Drive email ID. Okay, so you need to log in with this. After setup you have to log in with the same email ID where you have file in Google Drive. Okay, after you download and sign in your that email ID, then you can find the Google Drive on your file manager or my computer. So how you can see it, I'll show you. Okay, so after install and sign in, you will see in your my computer or PC, you can see your local drive C and D or whatever you have, and then you will see the new Google Drive option here. Okay, so you can see I'm using the free plan of Google Drive, which is 15 GB, up to 15 GB available, and I have used like 8.26 GB already. Okay, so what you need to do, just open it, just double click on it, and you can see my drive. Just click again, double click again and open it. Okay, so here you can see all your files. So what you need to do, you have to just right click that file or folder which you want to download, and copy it and come to your local drive and paste here. Okay, so go in Google let me go in Google my disk, local disk D. Okay guys, so I'm in my D drive and I have created new folder for that, and now here I can paste it. So this file has been start to download or copy paste from Google Drive to my new folder in my local drive. Okay, so that is how you can download big file easily from Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.